Stop building this horrible thing. Do you want all your paper crafted for you? And a farm that starts small and easy, but can grow to any size. For one module, these are the items you'll need. To get started, you'll need a space of about 11 long and 5 wide. At the end, I'll show you how to build the crafter, as well as how to expand the farm in all directions. Let's go. To start off, we want to dig down 1 block and go 8 long. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here we can place water, and you can check this easily by just placing another block and you'll see nothing else moves. From here we want to go in and make these all source blocks. Grab the extra water, we'll need that later. Grab our main building block, in this case deep slate tile. Go across the length of the water. Grab our pistons across all the top like this. And on the other side. From here now we can grab our sugarcane and place those into these slots. From the back, let's grab our observer and we can look into the back of the sugarcane and place the blocks there like that. The red should be facing us. Jump up on top, place them looking down, and the red should be again facing us. From here we want to build up the deep slate in the middle, 1 more block higher, above the observers and on top of all the pistons here. On the side we want to go 1 block down, so it's on the side of the observer. From up here we can grab our redstone dust and place it there and all the way across the top of the pistons. Now we're almost done. We want to jump down, grab our stairs and slab. Place the stairs this way so that the step is there, so you're stepping up out of the water. From here we want to grab our slab, place those like that, so now they're all waterlogged. Get our iron bars, look at the second height wall like that. Now that we've got the iron in, this will actually stop many of the drops from being shot from this set of pistons over to this side, so it ends up with more items per hour. Some items will fall on the tracks here and despawn, but it's not that many. From here we want to grab our water bucket, come here, hold down right and place it there, and now the water should go to the end of the stair block there. And now we're almost done. We're going to get our shovel, dig down here, this is where our collection is. From here we want to dig out 2 spaces down there. Grab our chest, place it there like that, double chest like so. Hopper into the side of it, and now we can get everything from the farm. Grab our glass, place it there so the water doesn't go too far, and on this side we can place the water. Now the water will flow this way and deposit the items into the hopper. This farm will produce about 50 sugarcane per hour on average. It is about 2 times faster than the regular farm with the observers on the 3rd layer, and it only uses 4 observers instead of 16. So why would you ever build the other one? This one's way faster, way smaller. I hate to ask, but don't forget to subscribe. I have many guides on my channel as well as let's plays, and many more to come. Now I'll show you how to expand this. On the sides is the easiest, but all 3 ways is pretty easy. Anyway, I'll be doing this in creative. So first we want to come to this side, and now we can actually place our pistons directly on the back of the others. No need for anything else. From here we want to continue as normal, placing the blocks like so. Down here we want to place grass if you don't have grass already there. Our water gap like normal. And then continue as we did before. I'll just place blocks like that so I can place the long side here. Pistons like we did before. Blocks on top. And it's pretty much the same. We want to grab our water and make an infinite water source down the bottom. Fill in the back so we don't have water going everywhere. Stairs. Slab. Sugarcane. Observers just like before. Fill in this middle, top it up there, block here, and now this all the way across like it was before, and we've completed adding to the side now. All we have to do is come in the middle, put in the iron bars again, break any too many. Grab our water, place that there. And now all we really need to do is move the water supply. So we can break that there, break these blocks here, water here, and it will flow all the way to the end. Ignore the fact that it's going up, it's just because that stair block is waterlogged. So that's the easiest way to extend it. You can extend it this way too. And if you end up with too long a farm, what you'll end up having to do is putting a sign here. So you would grab a sign and an ice block. So you would end up having something like that. Ice there, sign. And so the water flows here, and then you would have the next water block there, and it will continue. And you just can do that for the whole farm. Now I'll show you how to expand in the other direction. This way would actually be better, but since we've got our collection here already, it's better to do it through the back. For here, we want to break down our observers here like so. Grab an ice block, place the block there and here. Grab a pressure plate, place those there so the water doesn't flow everywhere. And now we continue. What we want to do is break this block here, place full blocks all there. And now we can continue as normal. We want to place our pistons. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We can do that here. Fill in the extra building blocks at the bottoms and top. Now that that's done, we can dig in our trenches for the water, like we always did. In this case, I need to place the grass instead of building the trench. Infinite water source here. Grab our slab and stairs. Stair, and then fill in all those slabs. Oops. There we go. Sugarcane can go in now. Now we can grab our observers. Filler block. Just like on the sides just before, again, one block down. Now we can place our redstone across the top. Now once we get to this point where the break is between the two farms, we're going to grab a repeater and put a repeater there. That will continue the power all the way across so it doesn't run out. The same can be done here, except we were doing double-sided, double wide. When we get to this point, we put a repeater there, but not a dust here. If you put a dust here by mistake in this spot, you'll have an infinite supply of power, and these pistons will not retract, and your farm will, well, mostly break. So make sure you don't do that. Alright, so now we've got this all extended. We just need to put in our water like so. Put in our iron bars. Meeting up with the last ones. Okay, and the farm's done. Some items can go in here, but it's actually worse to fill in the spot like that. So leave those open. Okay, that's how you expand the farm backwards and to the side. Next up is expanding upwards. This farm was originally designed by Tango Tech. Going up is really simple actually. What we want to do is grab our grass or dirt block and place them on these blocks here. From here we can pretty much continue as normal. We want to grab our piston and place them above the redstone so there's a gap you can see, but that is encompassed by the redstone itself. I'll only do one side to demonstrate. We don't need to do both sides, it will just take longer. From here we want to grab our filler block and place those in there where the gap is. fill in the top like we did before. And it's pretty much the same as it was before. Oops. From here, now we can actually waterlog this. So we want to go down to the middle. Block there. Pressure plate on top. Waterlog. So what we need to do is place a stair here so we don't get water going everywhere on either end. Waterlog that as well as all these blocks here. The bars will stop it flowing downwards. Grab our slab. Pistons, sugarcane. Grab our observers. Place them up, that was the wrong way. Filler blocks, like always. Block down there, block here. Redstone like just before. Repeater to extend it. Okay, so now we're pretty much done. What we want to do is jump back down here, place the water there again, and here you would have to hold down shift and click it against the sugarcane that I'm looking at there, and it'll place it here. From here, now we just grab our iron bars and bring them across like we have been doing the whole time. And down here now, we want to bring up a glass wall or something, but about to that height, so that when the items fly off, they will hit the wall and fall down into the stream instead of flying off into the grass over here. So that's how you expand upwards. Overall, it's really easy. So I ran a 10-hour test on the farm and it produces 360 sugarcane per hour. So that's about 45 per hour for one module. One module would be 16 plants starting from here and down. Okay, let's do the crafter for you. These are the items you'll need to make the crafter. The 8 dirt is just temporary blocks. To get started, you'll need a 3x4 wide hole that's 4 deep, and the hopper is in the corner like so. To get started, we want to come up close to it and place 2 blocks underneath. Then we can grab our crafter and jump and place it facing upwards like so. We want to come across, grab our chest and place it above, so it's like that. From here, we want to actually get out of the way. Remove these temporary blocks and place 3 more permanent blocks like cobble, like that. Grab a comparator facing out the side, put that on negative mode, jump and place this comparator facing into that one, turn around and a composter there. Grab our sugarcane and we want to fill the composter to be full. Now that's full with the bone meal, don't take anything out, we want to keep it full. From here, we want to place another block there, a torch on the side. Now we want to remove our temporary block and get down. From here, we want to get a block just there, so that's 1 block down like so. Redstone there, so this torch will now power that redstone. Redstone there. Block, so this redstone's pushing into that block. Now we will actually have to dig down and get around to the other side, so we drop down like so. And then now we can place a torch there and a block above. So this torch is now powering this block, which powers the crafter. So now we want to get into the crafter and empty it out and set it up in a formation like this. So now when I put items into the hopper, okay, that's it complete. As you can see, we've got lots of paper now. So this will always keep crafting, and once it gets more sugarcane in there, so as we can go, it won't overflow, it won't cause sugar to be made. It's really simple. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao!